It's John Robison. I'm here with this orange Discovery G4 that we have on Bring a Trailer. I had some requests for a video of the engine compartment and to hear the engine start and run. Let's go ahead and start it up, Luca. Okay, that's a cold start. It's 35 degrees out here. Just going to point out, you see this is all a rust-free, corrosion-free truck. It's pretty rare. But overall, when we rebuild these, our goal was to make it look like nothing happened. So all of these components here, your intake, plenum, your throttle body, alternator, those are all original to the car, and they don't look any different. You can see you've got new hardware there on the exhaust manifolds. You can see the heads are redone there, but valve covers, all that's original. All your emission piping, air injection, all that stuff's in place. New hoses, got new ignition wiring. Got direct coolant in there. And anyway, let's close it up. We'll just walk around it. So I did show in the listing that the clear coating is peeling, but what's really cool is all the original paint on this thing. So it does need paintwork there, it's paintwork there. It's raining right now, so you can see the spots from the rain. But G4 is really a pretty rare variant of this Discovery. Luca, do you want to just run the engine up a little bit and then circle it around me so people can see? So the engine is smooth and silent and it's doing what it should. And that's today's video of the Land Rover Discovery G4, and may the best bidder win.